जय जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरांग गंधर्विका गिरधारी राधालित माधव लाल जू की जय। जय श्री कृष्ण बलराम जी महाराज की जय। श्री गुरुदेव की जय। स्वरूपान गुरुवर्ग की जय। कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। समाज भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा महामहोत्सव की जय। सचिनंदन गौर हरि की जय। श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि। अद्वैतः प्रकटीकृतो नरहरि प्रेष्ठ स्वरूप प्रियो नित्यानंद सख सनातन गति श्रीरूप हृतकेतन लक्ष्मी प्राणपति गदाधर रसूला श्री जगन्नाथ सांगोपांग सपार्षदं सजयतां देवः सचिनंदन वंदे गुरुं पदद्वंद्वं भक्तवृंद समन्वितं श्री चैतन्य प्रभुं वंदे नित्यानंद सहोदितं श्रीनंदनंदनं वंदे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजन समायुक्तं वृंदावन मनोहरं श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। I first offer my Danvat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs, Nitla Prishtom Vishnu Pad, Ashtotar Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Gosai Maharaj, Nitla Prishtom Vishnu Pad, Ashtot Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Gosai Maharaj, all Sri Rupanu Guru Vargas, Vaishnavas and Vaishnavas. So today is Jagannath Rath Yatra Mahotsav. So before that, some Leelas, what last they left, we will discuss, then also discuss Jagannath Rath Yatra. कहा भट्टाचार्य पूर्व जड़ व्यवहार कहा यही परमानंद करह विचार. Sri Gopinathacharya saying to Sarvam Bhattacharya, before your behavior or now your pleasure, you can think how before you think about Prasadam, about Thakur's Vigraha, about Vaishnavas. And now how you are feeling so much pleasure with Sadhu Sang, with Prasad and taking darshan Thakurji's. So much pleasure. When Gopinathacharya said like that, then Bhattacharya is saying, yes, सार्वभौम कहे आमी तार्किक कुबुद्धि तोमार प्रसादे मोर ए संपद सिद्धि. Then Sarvam Bhattacharya said, yes, I so much do argue. I kubuddhi is like foolish. And this all I got your mercy. तोमार प्रसादे मोर ए संपद सिद्धि. This type wealth, this type sadhu sangat, understanding glories of prasad, glories of sadhus, this is the big properties. But this type properties getting only mercy of Vaishnavas. So what I got, this is your mercies. Otherwise this life, this type siddhi not possible. महाप्रभु बिना केह नाही दयामय काके रे गरुड़ करे ऐसे कौन है. Also, Sarvam Bhattacharya said, this is mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because he is so kind, Mahavadanya, so much giving. No one like him. So he make me like, I was crow and he make Garud. Garud means eagle. Eagles. So crow become eagle. This is only possible mercy of Mahaprabhu. Why Sarvam Bhattacharya saying I am crow? Because he is so much doing argument, always doing cow. Actually transcendental tattvas, transcendental bhav, you cannot understand by argument. This only understand mercy for Vaishnavas, mercy for Bhagavan. This he is saying I was crow, but now I become Garura. Mercy of before I just make a kong, 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 croak. तार्किक श्रृंगाल संगे भेव भेव करी सही मुखे एवे सदा कही कृष्ण हरि. Bhattacharya saying, I always associate philosophers like Tarkis who are doing argument, like Nyaya, Patanjali, Vaisesik, this, that, and I just shouting like Jaikal, hu, bhev bhev kar. But mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mouth, before I so much do this and that, speaking, how I am speaking Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare. कहा बहिर्मुख तार्किक शिष्य गण संगे, कहा यही संग सुधा समुद्र तरंग. Bhattacharya's own self criticizing and own self admiring. Criticizing means I was Jaikal, but now association of Mahaprabhus I become Gadur. Before I associate Tarkis means who are doing argument. To write argument, okay, but sometimes argument nothing. This is called Nyaya. Nyaya means just cheat. Hey, what is your pocket? And you are putting your hand in pocket saying nothing. And then they saying nothing means that is something. So this type, no? You are saying nothing, that is there. Nothing is there. So this type, I am not taking my disciple or discussing. But now, associate of Mahaprabhu, kaha ei sang sudha samundra tarangi. This is the association of nectar oceans. On that nectar oceans association babes, I am now floating. Means so much I am playing these sangas, so much I am bliss, feel happy. प्रभु कहे पूर्वे सिद्ध कृष्ण तुम्हार प्रीति तोमा संगे आमा सवार हैल कृष्ण मति. When he is so much criticizing, then Mahaprabhu saying, no. This is your leelas, your love and affection natural with Krishna. This is not this life sanskar, this previous sanskar. And your associate, we are also getting Krishna bhaktis. Our mind also fitting with Krishna, love Krishna. So Mahaprabhu admiring him, giving some respect, don't feel like that. This is your leelas, you are also an bhaktas. भक्त महिमा बढ़ाइते, भक्त सुख दीते, महाप्रभु बिना अन्न नाही त्रिजगते. Kaviraj Goswami saying, glorify to devotees and give to pleasure devotees, whole over world, without Mahaprabhu no one. This is the nature of Mahaprabhu. He so much give love and affection and respect to his devotees. तबे प्रभु प्रत्येक सब भक्त तेरे नाम लैया पीठा पाना दिवाइला प्रसाद करिया. Here one thing also understand, without pure sadhu sangas, mind never fix Krishna bhaktis. If no sadhu sangha, we cannot understand glory of Mahaprasad, glory of Harinam, glory of Vaishnavas, glory of Bhagavan's Vigraha. Mahaprasade Govinde Nam, Brahmani Vaishnave, Swalp Kunbatam Rajan Vishwas Naiva Jahe. Prahlad Maharaj same thing telling here, Anubhasya Prabhupada saying, Matirna Krishnes Parata Swatoba Mithva Vipadyat Grihavarta Nam, Adanta Govir Visatam Tamisram Puna Puna Charvita Charvana Nam. Who are so much absorbed in material life, too much karmas, like a smartas, and some another type of personality, person like Nyayik, Vaisesik, and Mimamsak, many. This type people's mind, own self, and by another person forcing cannot fit with Krishna fit, cannot love to Krishna. Only mercy of pure devotees. So, here Bhattacharya getting mercy of many Mahapurush associate and direct Mahapurush. This cause he so much now believe all these bhaktis. Before he's too much doing argument, like Sandamark, their Prahlad Maharaj was saying, what they will teach to me? They don't know proper what to life goal. What is the goal of life? Nate vidu swarth gati me Vishnu. Our selfish and our goal, everything lotus feet of Krishna's. But they are another things absorbing, material thing absorbing, or according to own mood, they are describing Shastra. Shastra saying something or they are telling something. So they are giving some ordinary meaning of Shastra and real meaning hiding. Bahirartha manino. So they are like blind, and who follow them, they are also blind. So one blind follows to another blind and goes somewhere, then cannot reach middle base, some hole or somewhere, they will both dropped, fell down. So only sadhu sang, if Bhagavad Sangha getting, Mahapurush Sangha getting, then you just close your eyes and run behind them. You cannot drop. And if fell, don't worry. Where you fell down, that area is not any hole or any throne or stone. Where it dropping, that area must be Radha Krishna's lotus feet. Because that Sangha only bringing to Radha Krishna's service, direct service. So to the Sarvam Bhattacharya also direct sevas doing and direct that Prasad Jagannath. Before he so much taking Prasad, but now he understands what is the Prasad and how much Prasad give pleasure. So Mahapurush saying to everyone, now all should take to Prasad, calling to all devotees. Advait Nityanand Basya Chen Ek Thai, Dui Jane Kida Kalah Lagila Tathai. All are sitting or taking, and Nityanand Prabhu and Advaita Church Prabhu sitting together one place. Both are mad elephant, both are Iswar Tattvas. So taking Prasad, some mind came and each other start to fighting. This fighting is not ordinary fighting, this is called Prem Kala, love fight. Too much love, if no fight then no taste coming. Like bank of Jamnas, all cowherd boys, too much love Krishna Baldev fruit. This cause when they eat something, then also same time start to some abusing and some wrestling and some fighting. Because here also mood is like, they are sitting bank of Jamna, this mood taking prasadam. So some fight came. Braja fight different, or there's Jagannath Puri sword fight, that by little different. But fight is fight. This is called Prem Kala, love fight. अद्वैत कहे अब धूते रहे संगे एक पंक्ति भोजन करिलु ना जानी हावे कौन गति. Advaitacharya start talking, saying, I am Grihastha Brahmans. This Nityanand, who is Abdhut. Abdhut means we don't know who caste, whose family, whose country, what is doing. It's like Abdhut sannyasis. And I am sitting same line and eating with him. So who have nothing, what he will lost. But I have something, I have name, I have caste, I have this. Some sanskar parampara no girastas. So I am sitting with him, so I am today losing everything. So what I will get? Means I not follow proper rule regulation, then after I have to go some bad place. Because I am not following. So, ना जानी हवे कौन गति प्रभुत सन्यासी उहार नहीं अपचय अन्न दोष सन्यासी रे दोष नहीं है नान्य दोषे ने मस्करी यही शास्त्र प्रमाण आमी तो गृहस्थ ब्राह्मण आमर दोष स्थान नितन पुरुष सन्यासी so for him no problem because sannyasis no any food problem. Anywhere Abdhut can take and eat, like Rishabdev. And many Avadhutas know what doing, not doing, they are out of rule regulation. So he is no problem. But I cannot do like that because I am Grihastha Brahman. So for me, big fault, big problems. जन्म कुल शिलाचार न जानी जहार तार संग एक पंक्ति बड़ अनाचार. If sitting same line, must know that person who is he. What is birth, what is character, what is nature, and what is behavior. If this all thing don't know and sitting together, this is not good for one Bhaktas. Actually, they are not criticizing each other, admiring and telling to us, like ordinary person, if associate somewhere, very careful. For Nityananda Prabhu, Advaitacharya Prabhu, no problem, but they are discussing for us. नित्यानंद कहे तुम्हें अद्वैत आचार अद्वैत सिद्धांते बाधे शुद्ध भक्ति काल. When he is saying like that, then saying you are Advaitacharya. And Advaita Siddhantas always destroying pure bhaktis. Advaita Siddhanta means Jiva and Brahma is non-different. So if Jiva and Bhagavan both are same, then who worship to whom? So they are not Sevak and Sevya Bhav, means all are Brahmas. You are Brahma, I am Brahma, two Brahmas, bas, what need to do? So this is very dangerous. Sudha Bhaktis. So तुम्हार सिद्धांत संग करे जय जाने एक वस्तु बिना सही द्वितीय नहीं माने. Who associate your Siddhantas, that person just accept only one thing, that is Brahmas. But Bhakti Siddhanta is saying no. Bhagavan is alone, no he has any competitor, Ekmeva Advityam Brahma. That means not like that, he have no any parikar or any servant. Like king means no one can take his position. But alone king not called king. King means must be his parikar, must be his follower, must be his associate. Alone king sitting, which type king? No glory of king. So Bhagavan means no like him anyone can be, but he have many followers, many Das, Sakyas, Vatsal or Madhur Ras followers, many devotees. This is the Bhakti Siddhanta, this is the Shastra Siddhanta. Actually Advaitacharya are not this type preaching, but saying who are preach like this type, be very careful to that people. This type Sangha is not good. And also saying who are Mayavadis or who are out of bhaktis, this type Abdhutas, this type no. People also don't allow together take prasadams. Don't sit with them take to prasad. Together taking prasadam, good qualities. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad also said, ददाति प्रतिगृह्णाति गुह्यम अख्याति पृच्छति भुंगते भोजते चैव षड्विधम प्रीति लक्षणम. This is the symptom of priti is love. You are taking or you are giving some prasadam. You are speaking hidden things, also asking secret things. And giving and taking, this all symptom of love. But this should do sajatiyas snigdha sadhu sangas. You are Bijati or some another, there this type relationship destroy to bhakti, disturb to bhakti. So here looks like criticize each other, but inside criticism they are glorifying and devotees making to be careful. Means in bhakti is very careful you behave and accept this type of things. Means always associate pure sadhu sangas. Like Advaitacharya, like Nityananda Prabhu and like his followers. हेन तुम्हार संगे मोर एकत्र भोजन न जानी तुम्हार संगे कैसे है मत. Nityananda Prabhu saying you are Advait, your Siddhant is different, and I associate with you and taking prasad, then after I don't know what mind accept. Maybe my bhakti will destroy, And I also think no need to worship any Bhagwan, I am Bhagwan, I am Brahma. So this is very dangerous. So look, after your associate, what can be? This type each other telling. Ei mata dui jane kare bala bali, byaj stuti kare duhe jen gala gali. Outside looks like each other's abusing each other. But no, according to one nyay, that called byaj stutis. In criticism, glorifying, very hidden way. So only devotees can understand. तबे प्रभु सर्व वैष्णवेर नाम लैया महाप्रसाद देन महा अमृत सिचिया. Then Mahaprabhu calling every devotees and giving to Mahaprasad. Mahaprasad means Maha nectar, full of nectar. Because when Vaishnavas take and after this, when Vaishnav touch, after that becoming Mahaprasad. Bhojan kari, uthe sabe, hari dhvani kari, hari dhvani uthila sab, swarg marta bhari. Many Vaishnavas taking prasadam, and after prasadam, when they stand up, they saying Hari Bol, Hari Bol. This song, not only going this world, this going all to sky, heaven, and everywhere. Means whole universe, this song can hear. This type Vaishnav's mercies. तबे महाप्रभु सब निज भक्त गणे सवा कार्य श्री हस्ते दिला माल चंदन. Then Mahaprabhu by own hands, every bhakt is giving chandans and malas. तबे परिवेशक स्वरूपादि सात जन गृहेरे भितरे कैला प्रसाद भोजन. These 7 people who are distributing prasadam, Sarup Damodar and another, they took prasad. प्रभु रे अवशेष गोविंद राखिल धरिया सही अन हरिदास किछु दिल लैया. What is Mahaprabhu left this prasad? Govind keeping, or when Haridas Thakur came, then Govind some prasad give to him because he is waiting for that. भक्तगण गोविंद पासे किछु मांगे लीला सही प्रसादान गोविंद आपन पाई. Also many devotees went to Govinda, who is servant of Mahaprabhu, and asking from him prasad of Mahaprabhu. And he gave some to them, and they each other distributing and taking that prasad. स्वतंत्र ईश्वर प्रभु करे नाना खेला धोआ पखाला नाम कैला यही एक लीला. Sachinandan Gaur Hari is independent Bhagavan. And what he like to do, he do. So he did this Leela, Gundicha Marjan. This Leela is another name in Uriya calling Dhoya Pakhala. Meaning cleaning and means grooming and cleaning, this called Dhoya Pakhala. Dho Pakhar karke. This Leela names. One name is Gundicha Marjan, another name is Dhoya Pakhala. आर दिने जगन्नाथेर नेत्र सब नाम महोत्सव हैला भक्तेर प्राण समा. After Asnan Jatras, Purnima days, Jagannath going 15 days separately one place, means he is getting sick. After Chandan bath, then hot and cold, no, something on sick, then medicine giving daitas. And after 15 days, again his all singers coming, eyes making, everything making, here putting no red or this all. So this called Netrutsav. Making Jagannath so beautiful. This Utsav, this festival, all bhaktas like life, like soul, they must watching this festival. 5 दिन दुखी लोग प्रभु रे दर्शने दर्शन करिए लोग सुख पाइल माने. 15 days Jagannath not giving darshan. That called unavsar kal. After Asnan Jatras, Jagannath temple is closed. So bhaktas so sad. After 15 days when they got this darshan, become so happy. महाप्रभु सुखे लैया सब भक्तगण जगन्नाथ दर्शने करिला गमन. आगे पर काशीश्वर जाए लोक निवारिया, पाछे गोविंद जाए जल करंग लैया. After 15 days, Mahaprabhu is going to Jagannath darshan. So happy. When walking way, front is Kasishwar Mishra is walking. On whose way he is making them one side. Go one side, go another side, because Mahaprabhu is coming. So he is doing these sevas. And behind, Govinda is going, servant of Mahaprabhu. He is taking Mahaprabhu this pot, that called Karanga, Karua. प्रभुर आगे पूरी भारती दुहार गमन स्वरूप अद्वैत दुहेरे पार्श्व दुईजन. Front Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, two Vaishnavas are going, that called Parvanand Puri and Brahmanand Bharatis. Why they are walking front Mahaprabhu? Because they are Guru Varga. They are disciple of Madhavendra Puripas, so this cause Mahaprabhu giving them so much respect. This cause they are front Mahaprabhu walking. And with them, two Vaishnavas also going, that is Advaitacharya and Sarup Damodar. One side Sarup Damodar, one side Advaitacharya, and middle Paramanand Puri and Brahmanand Bharatis are walking. पाछे पाछे चली जाए आर भक्तगण उत्कंठा ते गेला सब जगन्नाथ भवन. And behind many bhaktas are walking. They are so much eager to the Jagannath darshan. After 15 days, new dress, new clavers, new decoration, how look Jagannath, they so much desire to see that. Darshan लोभेते करी मर्यादा लंघन भोग मंडपे जाइया करे श्री मुख दर्शन. Greed of darshan, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu crossing to Marjadas, rule or regulation, means you take behind darshan, and always Mahaprabhu taking darshan, where is Gadura Stambha, where is one pillar, a dial pillar touching Mahaprabhu taking darshan so distantly. But 2 days, long time after, too much suppression, so Mahaprabhu no going to back side, he went to front, like to more close take his darshan. So when too much greed, that time no rule regulation, no. Greed is no, everything make to blank, and greed always no, pushing to front. तीसरा अर्थ प्रभुर नेत्र भ्रमर जुगल गाढ़ तृष्णाए पिए कृष्णेर बदन कमल. 15 days Chaitanya Mahaprabhu no drinking Krishna's beauties. Krishna's face is like lotus and Mahaprabhu's mind is like bumblebees. And bee and honeybee or bumblebees, every day they need to drink something. If no drink, then how can live? So 15 days no darshan, so much thirsty. Mahaprabhu's both eyes like bumblebees and so thirsty. And so much thirsty and look some nectar and absorb drink it. So God Krishna piye Krishna badan kamal. Mahaprabhu so much thirsty and his eyes, bees are drinking Jagannath's lotus mouth nectar. प्रफुल्ल कमल जिनी नयन जुगल नीलमणि दर्पण कांति गंड झलबल. बांधुल रे फूल जिनी अधर सुरंग ईसत हसीते कांति अमृत तरंग. श्रीमुख सुंदर कांति बाढ़े छने छने कोटि भक्त नेत्र भृंग करे मधुपान. Jagannath's both eyes like lotus, blooming lotus, and cheek is like nilmanis, so blue, so shining, and lips like one type is flower, so reddish, and little smilings means like babes of nectar. Jagannath has some smiling, this is like bay of what called babe of nectars. ईसत हसते कांति अमृत तरंग. श्रीमुख सुंदर कांति बाढ़े छने छने. And that beauty of Jagannath, every second more rising, more going up and up and up. And thousands, crores bhaktas are drinking that nectar, and more is coming, new flavors, new flavors. Means not this lotus one, many flavors there, and every there's a new taste, new feelings coming. Really, Bhagavan